Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica table, and today I have with me a Hong Kong Caltex exclusive Tomica UD Trucks Q1. So as you can see over there, we have a Caltex tank lorry, and this is because, well, it's a Caltex exclusive. So basically we have the Caltex logo down here, the name, the box is in green, red, and white scheme. As you can see the truck with the logo on the front. Takara Tomy, really small at the top right, and the name. For the side, over here we have Tomica at the top, and a really big Caltex logo. So yes, I mean, when you buy this from Caltex Hong Kong, you need to spend some money on petrol, and then they, buy this for about 10 Singapore dollars. So anyway, this case comes with the truck. So it's not like you buy this and the card separately, it just comes together. So pretty neat that they included a protector when you buy the truck. So anyway, for the side, yep, I've gone through that. And let's open up this big protector. Have a look at the back and the card. So here's the box without the protector. For the top, we have the side of the Caltex petrol station, the corner rather, the logo again, enjoy the journey, which must be the slogan of Caltex, and again, the dark green, Tomica, and the logo. For the back, we have Tommy Asia Limited, 2017 right there, and a really bare box. There's no square with the ST and whatnot, but instead, it's punched in with an L. So L means, if you count properly, I think it's either November, December, didn't count, but somewhere around there, I guess. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the card. So this card comes with every truck, right? And Takara Tomy again up there, Tomica, and UD Trucks Q1 Caltex tank lorry. Picture again here, and there is a serial number at the side. So the serial number is different for every single truck, so this one's unique. At the back, this is the same logo as the top, plus a car and a truck. So anyway, before I get into the truck, I have to thank Tomica Unboxing for sending me 2 of these. One's for a friend, but yeah, I can finally get my hands on this Hong Kong exclusive. So I'll put his channel link in the description, and I will also feature him in the last 20 seconds of the video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. So anyway, let's just get this one open. And we can see the truck inside. So this one just looks like a remake of the original version, which is number 90. And, just adding a few different colors. Because, the top part right here looks pretty much the same. Just the addition of these 3 colors. 2 colors, actually, because the red or orange is part of the stripe. So I think this is just a change of the decals because they added the Caltex at the front. This really nice decal was already there on the original. And yeah, just the stickers that have changed. So let's get on, with the proper review. So at the front we have black grill, not grill or air vents, and UD for the truck logo. Caltex in dark green right there. And for the bumper, it is, this really nice gray with white print. For the sides, we just have a plain gray bumper. And yes, a blacked out window over there. And the rest of the cab, including the roof, is white. So this side we have a bottom side window right here, while this is just a door. So this one has more detail on this side with some black down here as well. So we have 5-studded chrome wheels for all 6. And starting off of this side, we have, some tabs and a step. On this side, same details for here. We also have your wheel arch covering both wheels for both sides. So for the decal, it's here, Clean and Glide Technology. This one is trademarked, here outlined in white. The stripe right here is broken up only by a white and dark green stripe. So anyway, for the back, it's white plastic with a ladder and Caltex logo. So this one is printed on to the plastic, not a sticker. I think the UNOS one is a sticker, so this one is much better done. The back matches the front with this really nice warning sign bumper with a gray and white scale. So, well, gray and white kind of scheme, not scale. And then for this side, we have Caltex with Tegron, some kind of sponsor probably, and again the two stripes breaking up the orange. So then again, the orange back here, there it is plain with no other stripes. And coming back to here, we have the Tegron, pretty cool sounding name, and Caltex with the logo over here. So yeah, the top is got some little holes, portholes, or some kind of vents for you to pump out your petrol, I guess, something like that. So pretty neat truck. For the base, it's number 90 again, or this one's 31 because of diesel Q-on was around for quite some time, since 2005. Even though they said UD trucks Q-on tank lorry, I mean it's still the number 31 casting. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video with the Hong Kong exclusive Caltex truck. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.